Well, I had a really nice time with you tonight.
Yeah, I had a nice night too. I still don't know where I've seen you before.
I had such a great night.
Yeah. Okay, well, you have a nice night.
Yeah. What me too.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Have a good night. Bye.
Hey guys.
Hey.
Nothing. Just got back from my date with. What?
Yeah, how was it, man?
Not that great, actually. It's our third date, and she's still giving me the ass-out hug.
Pig?
What? Excuse me, I am not a pig. I just really like this girl, and I'd like to have a romantic kiss.
Romantic, you say?
Yes, romantic.
Romantic.
Yes.
I'm gonna get you that kiss.
No. Please don't help me.
I'm gonna help you.
Don't.
You need me.
I don't need you.
I am waist deep in it.
I'm washing my hands of this, and you're not going to help me.
I'm the sink that collects those washed hands. I am it.
Don't help me.
Gonna do it.
Will not.
I will.
Do not.
Doing it.
Please don't.
Already happening.
Don't help me. Don't help me. Don't help me.
I have to.
Going to bed, gonna sleep, gonna wake up, sitting on the couch.
I'm helping you. You're going to thank me.
I'm going to bed.
He's gonna thank me.
So what are we gonna do, man?
Well, there are lots of different ways you can get a girl to kiss you.
Long Island iced tea?
Well, there are all kinds of different...
You could tell her you love her. Tell her you only have a few days to live and beg her.
No! I read a book. A book on classic romance.
And it tells you how to be romantic?
In great detail.
Buy her a cat.
Why are you always buying people cats?
Why do you always lose them?
I didn't lose the last one.
Then where is it?
Chairman Meow, he's out in the yard, hunting mice and what have you.
And you know that for a fact.
Yes, us hunters, we have a bond. That cat is hunting mice. And you and I, my brother, we're hunting romance.
Nice.
Dude!
Hello?
On the kitchen table is a place and a time.
What?
Be there.
Hello?
Be there.
Oh my God, what did it? I don't know, calm down, calm down, calm down. They tied you right to the track, I can't get you off. Oh my God. What? Are you guys out of your minds? Are you mental? You're kidding! Are you fucking with me? This is ridiculous! Oh no!
Now what?
Now, he kisses her.
Choo-choo! 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 Just like a Band-Aid. Okay. Oh, I know it hurts. It's okay. It's gotta be this way.